inspire. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act but a habit. If you are offered a seat on a rocket ship, do not ask what seat, just get on. I always did something I was a little not ready to do. I think that is how you grow. When there is that moment of wow, I am not really sure I can do this, and you push through those moments, that's when you have a breakthrough. If you hear a voice within you say you cannot paint, then by all means paint and that voice will be silenced. How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment. Nobody need to wait for a single moment before starting to improve the world. You can improve the world whenever you want. The action is only necessary step. Some people want it to happen, some wish it would happen, others make it happen. Great things are done by a series of small things brought together. If you hire people just because you can do a job, they will work for your money. But if you hire people who believe what you believe, they will work for you with blood and sweat and tears. Very often, a change of self is needed more than a change of scene. Leaders can let you fail and yet not let you be a failure. It is not the load that breaks you down, it is the way you carry it. The hard days are what make you stronger. If you believe it will work out, you will see opportunities. If you do not believe it will work out, you will see obstacles. It's all about eyesight and how you perceive the situation. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. You can waste your lives drawing lines, creating territory, be the territorial, or you can live your life crossing them. Or you should take a risk and live life of new achievements after overcoming risk you would have take. You have got to get up every morning with determination if you are going to go to bed with a satisfaction. I now tried a new hypothesis. It was possible that I was more in charge of my happiness than I was allowing myself to be. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. If opportunity does not knock, build a door. Do not be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Work hard in silence. Let your success be the noise. Amen.